everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm here to share with you guys another project for Dies of Rust. Alright, so this week I pulled back out the same die. Same tag die. Was trying to use these more. So I used that again. And this is one you can pick up at the store. And I used this Julie Nutting Belvie, I guess is how you pronounce it, collection. This is an older collection. I had it was used, so it worked perfect. Okay, so what I did was I created a tabletop tag album, is what I call this. Very simple, not a new concept. So let me show you. So it's like a Z. Yep, you know, it's meant to stand like that, like a Z, for the on top of your table, shelf, whatever. All right, so here is the front cover, and I just kept it minimum. I just used stickers from the collection for the most part, and then stickers from the collection, and then I just added some drops. Now how to make this hinge? I have a die set that I cut out to make the hinge. And so that's what I did to connect the tags together. And this base is the Graph 45 tags, and of course I use the die for the layering pieces because the paper the die is meant to layer on top of paper. Okay, so those are the tags, and the what I die cut lays on top. So like I said, this is simple front cover. Okay, here's one page. I made a pocket. See the little drops up there, and then I backed these cutting sheets, the cutter parts, on paper tray ink cardstock so they can have some weight to them to write on or to add a 3x4 picture. And to make the pocket, I just ran the paper at the bottom of the die back through the machine so it'll match perfectly. All right, this page right here, this is a die from Tim Holtz. His slotted die comes with the disc piece and a layering piece that you can put like a sentiment on, but I didn't use that. And so I just mounted the cutter parts onto cardstock for a journaling spot, and then I just made this one. And the way I have it set up, I didn't glue it all the way down so it can, you know, you can have a longer spot to write on or to do whatever with. All right, next page, I just using the die again. I put the paper in and just cut the top, and then I cut it in my trimmer at an angle again so that it'll line up perfectly. Added the stickers and the little drops. This is a journaling spot from the collection. And of course, I popped all these up with foam so I could add more if I wanted to. All right, the back side. All right, same thing. I just repeated the same thing. Added the drop stickers. Did the whole slotted thing again. Love this die. And on here, the same thing. With the tag that I cut off the front, I kept this side and just mounted it so anything will go to waste. And that's that piece. And then again, just using paper tray ink cardstock. That's that one. And then we're back at it again. So like I said, this is this one, and then you flip it over. This is this side. Very simple and easy, of course, to make. Yeah, I know I don't try not to do complicated. Work my nerves. And then like I said, it'll stand. It can stand like this, or you can, you know, do it like so. But I folded these. I put one on the back and one on the top, so when I fold them, they make a Z. All right, so that is it. Like I said, check out the store. This is that one right here. That's in there, and then this is this one. All right, so I'll be back, you guys, with another video. You guys have a blessed day. I hope you love my quick and simple album. Like I said, just trying to use the tag, die again. And maybe I can think of another project to do as well. But like I said, these been out. This is definitely not anything new. All right. Not a new concept at all. Just how I did it was different. All right. So I'll be back with another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye-bye.